Hi guys, good afternoon to you all my viewers and subscribers, and thank you for watching my videos. Today I'm on a different journey. Today I'm going to be showing you guys of how there is this new topic I'm taking on my food channel very soon about the belly pots, how to reduce your belly pot and all that. So I also want to show you guys some of the things and how you can make your rice to reduce your belly fat, how you can eat healthy. And that's exactly this video I'm going to make right now. I'm going to show you on how I make my rice sometimes and then it is very healthy. I call this vegetable rice. That's how I call it. I don't know, but it's not fried rice. I call it vegetable rice. I give it that name myself. But I know it's very healthy. I've been eating it. I use it to watch my weight. I use it to reduce my belly fat and all that. So I'm also sharing it with you guys to see in action and in display of how I will do this. Without wasting any further time, I'm going to introduce my ingredients one by one to you. Okay, here I have my cabbages, a lot of it, and the oil. I have my green beans. I have my chicken. I have my pepper, salt, thyme and curry, and Maggi. And here I have my little tomato. I'll just need small. You need small tomato for this, and onions, a lot of onions, of course. Green onions, yeah. And green pepper. And here I have my carrots. So this is all we need for the recipe of this meal, vegetable rice. Stay tuned as I go straight to the cooking. All right. See you guys. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share if you care. Subscription is for free. And always go to my comment section, speak your mind, ask any question, say whatever you want to say. You might be helping me with something, So don't just watch. When you watch any video you're watching, you find out you have things in your mind to say. Go to the comment section. It's open. My comment section is always open. Go there. Comment whatever thing you want to say concerning what you watch. And then, okay. So I have my oil on fire. It's my oil. Green onions. Green onions. Beans. If it's overcooked, it's no longer healthy. Yeah, you have to keep it up. Now the cabbages. Now the chicken can go in. But to cook and shoot at the same time. It's very difficult, but what can I do? You have to do things by yourself. Because nobody will do it for you. Don't depend on anybody. Depend on. Guys, like I'm not even joking here. Try make this in your home. Exact the way I make it. And then, only then you know what I'm talking about here. Not everybody can cook and be creative to make something healthy for themselves. This particular meal I'm making right now is healthy. Like you can eat this rice as much as you want to eat. And you feel yourself not getting that heavy. Your stomach being that heavy, you will not feel it. You understand? Because of the much vegetable. Even the rice I'm using now, it will just be a little rice that I will use. It will be more of the vegetable, just like these vegetables on my own and my own by myself. I used to make it. That is my chicken. I will show you guys how I do that, and I eat it alone without rice. I do it most of the time for my health because I love to eat, and at the same time I love to be beautiful. And I also have to show you guys how I achieve all that. Those of you who know me, when I came to this country, you know that I wasn't that fat, but I had that pot belly. So I'm saying no to it now. So a little curry on this, just a little. It's pepper a lot till the rice is ready to be mixed with the vegetable. Yeah. Okay, guys. There you go, guys. We have our rice ready now, and the vegetable is in. We stir. You see, it's looking like fried rice. Those of us from Nigeria, this is not fried rice. Oh, our vegetable rice is ready. Don't say I did not share my secret of how I eat healthy. This is it. This is one of the two. And I have thousands of different of these recipes to show to you and to share with you. Foodie guys, we have to eat and be beautiful, okay? So, I share this one with you. You can make it in your house the way you want and enjoy your meal.